In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a PDF portfolio using the legacy interface of Adobe Acrobat. This is a fantastic way to compile and organize multiple files into a single streamlined document, perfect for presentations, projects, or any professional need. Let's walk through the process together. First, open up your Adobe Acrobat. Once on your home screen, you'll want to navigate to the File menu. It's typically found in the top left corner of your screen. When you click on this, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, hover over Create, and then select PDF Portfolio. This action sets the stage for you to begin combining everything into one cohesive PDF file. This feature is incredibly useful as it allows you to integrate different types of files and formats seamlessly. Next, let's add some files to your portfolio. Look for the Add Files button. It should be prominently displayed on the interface, as this is one of the primary actions required to build your portfolio. With a single click, a dialog box will pop up, inviting you to select the files you wish to include. Whether these files are located on your desktop, in a folder, or spread out across your system, you can easily navigate to where they reside. Remember, you can choose multiple files by holding down the Control key on your keyboard as you click, a handy tip that can make your selection process much more efficient. After you've selected all the files you need, click Open. This action adds the files to your portfolio layout. You'll see them neatly organized in your Acrobat window. Take a moment to ensure that all necessary files are included and in the correct order. Reorder or remove files if necessary to ensure that your presentation flows exactly as you intend. Now, with all your files in place, you're ready to finalize your portfolio. Click on the Create button. This step is where Adobe Acrobat works its magic, compiling everything into a polished, professional-looking PDF portfolio. Depending on the size and number of files, this could take a few moments. Finally, you must save your newly created portfolio. Navigate to the File menu once more and choose the Save option. This will prompt you to choose a location and name your document. Make sure to place it somewhere easily accessible, especially if this is for a presentation or client deliverable. Enter a file name that you'll easily recognize and retrieve in the future. And there you have it, a comprehensive, efficient way to create a PDF portfolio in Adobe Acrobat using the legacy interface. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and that it inspires productivity and organization in your projects. Thank you for watching and happy organizing.